All right, guys, we are in Steele, Alabama, off of I59, exit 174, and I want you to see what we've got for you here. 5 acres, 5 acres of gravel lot, 100 spaces available, guys, 100. I mean, it doesn't get any nicer than that. 5 acres to park wherever you want to. Spaces available everywhere. We're in Steele, Alabama. We're just down the road a little ways on Industrial Station Road. I think the interstate's maybe half a mile back that way. You got a Love's right down there. You've got a Sunoco truck wash, and you got a JK tire shop. Dollar General also right there within a half a mile distance from you. Just the space alone, guys, is great. He does weekly and daily. I think it's 15 a day, 75 a week. Perfect for you guys that are in Steele, Alabama, or just traveling through. Check him out, truckparkingclub.com. He's on our app. Download it, it's free. Pitter patter, y'all. Let's get at her.